This is how you add AI B-rolls to your talking head video. So usually you would have to make the shots, then edit them, then import them to your editing tool, and all that hassle for no reason. But here in Vimmer Studio, there's a much simpler way. So let's get into it. So first we're going to create a new project. Let's call it Dinosaur. Episode 1 and title T-Rex. So here you have all the different AI models. You have the text provider, resolution, image generation, image edit, video, and all that stuff. So let's go new project. So usually you can write your own script or use AI to make one. But today we're going to be importing a video I already made. You can see it here. Hey, just wanted to show you the new glasses I bought in Barcelona. The reason I had to buy them is because the sun was really strong in there. I had to protect myself. I couldn't see nothing. I couldn't even see the cool stuff the town had. It had a giant statue of Columbus like right by the sea, maybe 30-40 feet tall. And I also liked the aquarium. It had sharks and fish and all sorts of sea creatures. Like, the trip was very fun, yeah. Okay, so here I have imported the video, and as you saw, the video is not very entertaining. It's slow, it doesn't have any visuals. So let's fix it. Here, every line represents a shot in your video. So here we have the length, it will be 4 seconds. And usually I don't like putting B-rolls in the first shot. So let's go with the second. The reason I had to buy them. So we're talking about the glasses. So the reason I had to buy them, let's put a store with a bunch of sunglasses. A strong sun. No. Okay, so for this shot let's put the window. Okay, a giant statue of Columbus. Okay, and we're going to put here. Okay, I think this is good. So let's go next. So here you can choose a style for your video. Let's go with photorealistic this time. And here you see all the different prompts that the app made for the different shots. So we said we don't want every shot, we want this one. So we're going to skip the first one. And which one did we also do? Yeah, so we're going to skip this one as well. So here, after I have skipped all of these, I can edit the shots. So a store with a bunch of sunglasses. Let's do, I just want to see the glass, I don't want any people. So let's update prompt, okay. And the rest of these, I like the rest of these. So we're going to click next, generate all or first shot only. So we're going to generate all now. So now I think I like all the shots. So let's animate. So the video prompt says pan right. Okay, approve and video. While that is generating, we can do here. Okay, I like this one. So approve and video, approve. Here we're just going to say animate. So now we wait. You can go grab a coffee or you can wait because here it won't even generate. Yeah. So this one is good. Okay, so all the videos are done. So let's check them all. So we already saw this one. I like it. This one. Okay, I like this one very much. But what about this one? Yeah, this one also good. And this one? Yeah, I like it. Yeah, so we're going to approve everything. And we're going to click next. This is your preview panel if you want to add music, but today we're not going to add music. So next, we can also preview here, but I think it's done. So let's start export. And when it is exported, the video is done. So basically in 15 minutes, you got the whole video with AI just for $5. So what are you waiting for? Download Vimmer Studio and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. It had a giant statue of Columbus like right by the sea, maybe 30-40 feet tall. And I also like the aquarium. It had sharks and fish and all sorts of sea creatures. Like, the trip was very fun, yeah.